I made these low-carb, keto-friendly kolaches using carbquik baking mix. Now try saying that 3 times fast. Now the baking mix is complete. All I added was butter and the seasonings that I wanted my dough to taste like. Garlic powder, herbs, a little pepper, a pinch of salt, and it was ready to go. That was frozen butter that I shredded into the mix there. After I got my butter and dry ingredients incorporated, it was time to add the milk. Since I used 2 cups of baking mix, I used a half a cup of milk. After my dough was nice and moist, it was time to turn it out onto the surface so that I can roll it into a flat, kind of square shape. Just like that. Now it's time to add in the sausage. Now I'll put the brand of sausage at the end of this video, but they were delicious. It included hatch chili peppers, scrambled eggs, all into the sausage meat. Now I didn't plan it this way, but the plastic actually helped me roll the dough over the sausage meat and get it into this shape that you see here. I made a little honey butter sauce to drizzle over them after they came out the oven. These were fantastic. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Please be sure to like and follow on all social media platforms.